Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Renovating your old kitchen into a shiny new one, it can be a great feeling, we're sure, but it's also going to cost you. Adam Morris from Bank of Hawaii is here to help us through this. Aloha, Adam.
Hey, good to see you, Steve.
So Adam, as great as it sounds, renovating can be expensive. So what are the top ways to pay for your home improvement project?
Yeah, obviously, saving up to pay for your renovation is great, but saving the money needed can be difficult and take a long time.
What are some alternatives to filling up your piggy bank?
Yeah, there are various loans that are available. One popular option is a cash-out refinance. A cash-out refi is when you use your home's equity to qualify for a new mortgage that's larger than your current mortgage. You can use that extra cash to pay for your remodel.
All right, sounds simple. Cash out, new kitchen in. What are other financing options?
Well, if your home has gone up in value, you can borrow against that appreciation with a home equity line of credit. Then simply tap into your line of credit like you would a credit card. But unlike a credit card, home equity lines of credit usually have much lower interest rates.
As the renovation proceeds, you pay as you go?
Exactly, Steve. Only take out what you need along the way, which can be a great option since renovations often take time to complete.
Okay, this is very specific, but can't you also convert all or even part of your home equity line of credit into a fixed rate loan option?
Yes, some home equity lines of credit offer this feature. With a fixed rate loan option, you know exactly what your interest rate will be for the duration of the term. So the amount you pay stays the same from month to month. If this is something you want to take advantage of, make sure the home equity line of credit you're obtaining includes this feature.
Yeah, and you know what, Adam, there's a lot of interest in this, so thanks for coming in and helping us through that.
Hey, always a pleasure, Steve. Take care.
You too. Aloha, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.